Is it too late to start YouTube in 2019? Stick around, I'll try to go in depth with this topic and also relate it to small business owners and see if it makes sense for you to be starting a YouTube channel in 2019. This is basically what I'm doing. This channel is more or less brand new. It's only a couple of months old. And for me, I am willing to make that commitment to grow this channel. It is way more competitive than it used to be. I've had 3 channels. It used to be you threw up a video, it would get 5, 10, 20, 30, 40,000 hits. There wasn't a lot of competition. You didn't really need to optimize things at all. And now that game has completely changed. And what I feel like I know I need for success is to come out with 100, 200, 300 videos to see huge growth. And here's why. You know, it's a lot harder to rank for search terms. It's very competitive. So if you're trying to rank for how to change a car tire, that's never going to happen with a new channel. It's just impossible, basically. But you could potentially rank for a search term like how to change a tire on a 2019 Honda Civic. Now, instead of 1 million people searching for that, there may be 30 people each month. But, you know, if you can rank for that, it's realistic, it's a start. I use TubeBuddy to help me figure that out and to see what I can rank for. But really, it's about finding those search terms you can realistically rank for with the new channel. Now, if I came out with 1 video a month, this would take absolutely forever. You know, even if I rank for that, I'd be getting 30 hits per month maximum. And if I did another video, I could be getting 60 hits per month maximum. It would take absolutely forever. But I'm committed to doing 90 days in a row and coming out with over 100 videos. And you know, if I can get all of those optimized and ranking, even for if it's for something with 30 hits, that can really add up. And as more people see the content, then more people can subscribe, which means that anytime I come out with new content, more people will see it when it comes out. And that means over time that I can rank for better keywords. So suddenly, instead of a keyword that 30 people are searching for a month, 100 people are searching for it. You know, I talked in a previous video about the snowball effect where, you know, someone who's already really popular, when they come out with something new, they'll have 1 million subscribers or more who can see that content come out. But then they can also rank for really good search terms so brand new people can find their content in that way, and it can just expand really quickly once you hit a certain point. But at the very start, that's why you want to come out with a lot of helpful, useful, interesting content when you're getting started, because you want 100 opportunities for a video to take off, or even the collective, you know, ranking for small search terms, but over 100 videos. It is really important to understand keyword search phrases to actually rank for some. I do know a channel that has 200 videos and 8 subscribers, and they just have done nothing with making sure that people can find their videos or designing thumbnails. So you have to optimize those over time, make sure you're ranking for certain search terms. Otherwise, how are people going to find your content? Sometimes if you have other platforms with an audience, you can send some of your audience there. That can be very helpful, but it's digging into it and figuring out what you're ranking for, optimizing your thumbnails so people are clicking on your videos, and creating interesting enough content that people are watching a decent chunk of it and not bouncing back. Part of the reason I'm doing this challenge, I want to get better at speaking on camera. This is probably the longest one take I've done so far, which I'm really happy about. And really, it's all about being able to provide useful information to you. So please subscribe, hit the bell for notification, ask me questions, request topics. This channel is here for you. It's here to help small, medium-sized businesses grow their online presence, you know, turn that into actual profit and actual revenue. So I thank you for your time. I will see you in the next video.